found a fool that was dumb enough to lay his money down. We started with the whiskey, then out came Lady Kane. Then after that I guess I don't recall, but there's blood on my hands. Why somebody didn't stop me, I guess they didn't try, or they were blinded by the devil himself and his thin white line. Hear the hum of the tires coming down the road, heading to his 9 to 5. I got my thumb in the air on the southbound side of old Highway 89. Well, I barely made it out, but that big sky stayed alive. And that's more than I can say for the two-dot man trying to take me by surprise. So I'm on the road to nowhere, just begging for a ride, with my head held high, living life alongside of that thin white line. And I'll hitch on down somewhere to Mexico, to a place I've never been before, with folks I'll never know. Just sit and wait it out and let the white dust settle down. But for now I'll plumb a live somewhere just north of Tucson town. I'll never make it through the border, at least not alive. I guess I better linger just upstream of that thin white line. Just 2 weeks passed when I got the word some law had come around. I guess the one man that I left of Brown should be 6 foot underground. They drew a line in the sand, they said I'd never cross, and they'd hunt me down and they'd bring me in no matter what the cost. I've got nowhere left to run to, and it's no one's fault